Redondo Beach is a city seeing some major changes, and believe it or not, a lot has happened in just 48 hours.
So in just 2 days, you've got major development, some sad closures, and some brand new beginnings.
First up, a look at the future. The City Council just greenlit Navisi Living, a pretty controversial new project.
And this thing is big. We're talking 49 residential units with a huge commercial space on the ground floor.
So how'd they get it approved? They're using state rules to build higher for adding 8 affordable housing units.
But not everyone's happy. Locals are really worried about what this means for traffic on an already busy street.
Now, as new buildings go up, some old favorites are sadly shutting their doors for good. And the biggest one, Ragin Cajun Cafe. It's been a South Bay staple for a whopping 32 years.
So when it shuts down in 2026, it's truly the end of an era for food lovers there.
And it's not just them. A longtime jiu-jitsu center and even a couple of Pete's coffee spots are also closing.
While the closures? Well, it boils down to high costs and just different customer habits these days.
But it's not all bad news. Amid the closures, there's a real wave of renewal happening.
Case in point, Hot Dog on a Stick is making a comeback at the Pier. A total classic returns.
And it's not just the Pier. The Chamber of Commerce says new businesses are popping up everywhere.
These new spots are all about wellness, high-end services, and unique boutique-style experiences.
So, what's this tell us? People are looking for experiences, not just stuff.
Even new restaurants are getting creative, using local sports stars on murals to pull people in.
So yeah, this quick 48-hour look shows a city trying to balance its past with its future. Really, what we're seeing is a classic story of urban evolution, development, loss, and then rebirth.
Which leaves us with one big question. What do all these fast changes mean for a town's identity?